This is Codecademy. I'm currently working on Introduction to JavaScript. I am on Functions lesson, and I'm on Part 5, Default Parameters. Let's see what we're working on. So, what we need to do for this lesson is instructions. The function makeShoppingList creates a shopping list based on the items that are passed to the function as arguments. Arguments are these things, right? So these are parameters. When we put something in here, that's an argument. I'll explain more in a sec. Imagine that you always purchase milk, bread, and eggs every time you go shopping for groceries. To make creating a grocery list easier, let's assign default values to the parameters in makeShoppingList. All right. Change the parameters of makeShoppingList into the default parameters. Assign milk as the default for item 1. Assign bread as the default for item 2. Assign eggs as the default value for item 3. All right. And we can always go back up here if we get stuck or confused about something, right? And this is gonna give us a fair amount of hints and help. So if I look at name up here, name is a parameter, and to set it to a default, right, they use this equals. So up here, I believe they said milk for the first one. Milk, yep. So I'm gonna say equals and then quote milk, okay? And then I wanna leave that comma, make sure to leave that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do equals and then what do I need? Bread, okay? And again, I'm leaving this comma B, and then item 3, I want to do equals, what do we want it to equal? We want it to equal eggs, okay? All right, let's see where this gets us. Oh no. Oh, I didn't put it in quotes. Make sure you put these in quotes. Let's try again. Ta-da! So now if someone doesn't have a value for a parameter, it's going to be defaulted to milk, bread, and eggs. And we'll explore this a bit more, well, as we go on. Great, let's keep going.